Guys, let me just extend this thing. Today it's NFP. Today it's NFP. Like on the daily buyers. Okay, guys. The daily buyers for today, for me, when I came on to the charts today, was like the market, we took out this high. We took out this high. And then after taking this high, there are people who are doing what? Who are they buying here because we broke here? So they're going to try to be breakout artists and like, okay, it's a breakout, and then they retest, and then they buy from there. And then so we have to come back and retest from where? And retest to this value gap from here. You know. Yeah, my mind is bad. So to come back and react to where? To this value gap. This is where the support and resistance works. Not from highs, from old highs and old lows. It works from where we need to test to work to the value gap, and then we go up again. And then I got these setups. I think I shared on that Instagram thing, the setups that were taking me here. Here they are, the first one, the second one, third one entry. And then I'm still waiting up there to take me where? To these liquidity pools. But the problem is I don't know which one is it gonna react from. Is this one or this one or this one or this one? You see, nobody knows. Yeah, welcome, fine. I'll come to you another time. Like. Excuse gents, I had to unmute you because there's someone singing. Okay. The first one was from where? From this imbalance here. But before I take an entry, there must be something like this. This legal inducement. See, if I get this legal inducement, that's what I'm gonna buy. And then this one for me was not enough. Okay, that was not enough. I was like, So I have to wait from this area because this is the gap. This is where the gap starts. But it doesn't mean, as you can see from here, like it doesn't mean because that gap was taken from where? From the daily. So it doesn't mean it must come back to where? Like to here, straight. But it's gonna react. Why? It's gonna react there. Check. Because from here we are picking what? We're picking liquidity. When you're trading news, the liquidity that you're going to see, you're gonna see it from smaller time frames. What? Sorry. Where are my things? Oh, okay, here. Let's see from here, they're waiting for a third touch. And then we have what? We have this gap. And then that is the gap. So from that gap, what do you have? Like you have a gap from here. And then With this gap, we have what? We have liquidity. You feel me? So this is where the market is going to do what? It's going to run out these ones. If it comes here, just know that it's going to go up. It's going to penetrate this one because it has built liquidity for the day. This is the liquidity for the day to take us where? To take us here, and then we sell. But the only problem now is which one between these two? Not between two, there is a lot. So if which one is it gonna be one? Oh, nobody knows. Or it's gonna be from here to here. But we're gonna wait. The only thing that we're gonna wait for is a weekly investment, and then we go on there. You feel me? But as you can see, the market reacted from where? It reacted from this one. So let's wait for news, because even news, before they start, they have to create what? They have to create something like this. They cannot just shoot up one way. They must brah, and then they shoot up. So with the entry that we're going to take that entry from the first price leg. You know. So we're waiting. This is NAS. This is NAS. NAS. It's not but if you want us to check something, you can say let's check it, even though like I'm only limited to trading NASDAQ and S&P 500. But if there's something you want to shout out to that you want us to check, you can say, hey, can you check that thing, bro? And then we're gonna check it. Even check S&P 500. I trust that thing. I trust the same balance, so it's gonna go to oh, sorry. Yeah, I trust it's gonna run out this imbalance, not this flow. So it's gonna come and take where and take what is liquidity. As you can see here, we have what? Still have the same thing, waiting for a third touch. Even here, we have what? Order blocks waiting for a third touch. So I believe we're going to take out all of this liquidity up until we come back where to that fair value gap zone. Because if you can use the premium and the discount levels to see the equilibrium, this is the equilibrium. So it must come back to the gap. So that gap is there. So I believe it's going to go up and take where and come and take this that gap, because this is liquidity that was pegged for the day. Because every day when there's big news, they peg the structure like this. Break like break, it returns, to break, it returns, to break, it returns, to break, it returns. You see now it's respecting the structure, like it's respecting the structure, and then people that were waiting for third touches, a lot of them, like three, and then again 3, and then you have to run all of them out. Okay, but the problem is, which entry are we going to take first? I don't like trying the first one, like the first one that I like the second one. If it's going to be like this, and then I take the retest, and then I go with it. But there are possible areas where I'm set my limits. I don't want you to say, hey, do that at what time. I can't tell you nothing, but from here to here, or from this gap or to this gap, or to this gap. But it can move like in the same thing. Like in the same, like just go down. It won't do that, but it's gonna react from one of these. 1, 2, 3. So like you can mute yourself, guys. Like just request something you want us to check. What are you playing as well? What are you playing? Some of you they trade gold. You know, it's different.
I want that too.
Sure. It's a even job. As you're not speaking, or let's just wait. Like I told you that I only trade these things. Can you please check Euro USD and audio? Let me just type Euro USD.
Sorry, man, what pair are you analyzing?
It's Euro USD. Oh, currency.
Yes,
Let me just start from this day. Do we have time though? What is the date today? It's 3. Let me start from the first. Yeah, I'm gonna start from here. Say the
No.
six. 6. 6. 6. Maybe 4, 3, 6, and 4. So I only need to analyze. So from here we have. I think I can come back to currency. Now you see if I succeed from this one, I can come back to currency. Especially in days like this. That is the previous daily high of that day. And then this was the previous daily high of the day again. Previous daily low of that day again. And also this one. Okay, gents. So we are spotting where is the liquidity first. Okay, we see that the liquidity from 1 hour, the previous daily lows and previous daily highs, we've already taken them out. Okay, and then we had what? We had the gap. I just started this analysis from here. We must come first to the bias of the weekly. What was the weekly bias? The candlestick from here was to give us what? As you can see from here, first Euro USD, you took what? You took out this low. So after taking out this buy side, you take it as a. Now you do not take it. The bias was to come back and fill in this gap, and then you go down again. So which candlestick is going to take us down? Because here we reacted from an order block or I don't know, support and something. So we left what? We left liquidity from here. So we have to give them an inducement and then we take them out. But people who can be taken out from here are big banks, people who hold trades, not us, because like the retail traders, they don't hold a lot. They can get this one and profitable and then they close. But the big banks will come to target them out. So was come back and feel like price was most likely to come and reprice this imbalance, and then we go down again. So which setup is going to take us to go down? And then we went to the daily. And then from the daily, we came to fill in the gap. So the gap that we have to come and balance is from that is the gap. That's why we so this candlestick, I think this candlestick is going to go up and because they just filled in this one. We have to take them out from here because they're gonna say we shifted the structure and then they buy. I think this candlestick is gonna go up. But if from where we have to come back and rebalance price from here. I don't know. But we'll have liquidity from there, created from the gap there. So maybe it's from here. So you see the hourly bias is telling you that we left what? We left the family here from here. This is a void. As you can see, there's only bias were involved. So this is a void. You have to come back and fill it. You know, we have to come back and fill it out. So this is the equilibrium level, the premium level, and the discount level. So you have to come here. But now we are trading use. And also from here, we're having a void. This is liquidity void. There must be a candlestick that is going to go up and take down that liquidity from there. Because it's what? They're waiting for it to touch and then they sell. You gave them a double bottom actually from there, like a double top from there. So where
Hello.
is the thing? It's from here.
Hello. Kyle.
Sure.
I wanna, if you look at the candlestick, I'm before 1 hour. If you can go to the 1 hour, yeah. There's a candlestick, indecision candlestick, like imbalance.
This one.
Yes, that candlestick. Yeah, love.
Yeah.
Don't you think that price will continue to go down and treat a candlestick as a zone and go up?
Nah, dog. We don't use zones. We use the fair value gap, but we're gonna check the gap. That's why I'm saying it's gonna react from that area because we have a void from there. So we're gonna go check down from the smaller time frame. If where is that gap? You see, we go from 30-minute time frame. You don't see the gap. The only gap that we see is from here. That is the gap.
Oh, okay.
And then we go down to 15-minute time frame again. And then from 15-minute time frame, the gap that is here is only from here to here. You see, now we're scaling down to see like if where is actually the gap at. You see, from here we find out that the gap is not here, and it's here, but it did react. But now we have to react before the new starts. So it's going to be from here. Let's just take it to. You see, that's the area where I think price is going to be most likely to be priced to. You know, 23 minutes. 3 minutes. Today, this thing is going to be aggressive and it's going to be too much, guys. Euro USD pairs, but okay, I forgot something. To add some layout to the chart. Where is how many minutes left? 9 minutes. Okay, let's wait for today, guys. We took it out, that's why we went up. And then we'll do this one again. You see, it's either is going to be from here. You see, from here, after taking this thing, it's going to be from here, guys. But eight currencies, then you. What do you see? What do you see on the side? Because you see, that's what I don't like. There's no movement here. You see, there's no gap, like this liquidity pegged. Like there's a lot of liquidity that is pegged on from here. So hey, when you look at like because the only clear zones that you can think the market is going to price to are those ones. You see, they are clean. You can see them. But these ones, there's a lot of people that are looking for these ones. You know, so it's going to be difficult. That's why, like, sometimes currency is high. But let me go. I didn't see a chart. Let me check gold. The Euro USD will make a buyout. Why the network is like this? The room is. Oh, I'm still connected to 211. This is 214, eh? Yeah. This is 214. So my bias from here. This is it. From Euro USD, I think we're gonna react from that side. This is the gap. So I think we're gonna fill in that gap and then we go up to take this pegged liquidity from here.
I can see your gaps. Check the previous lower high.
Yeah.
Check the second previous lower high. Yeah, that one. You see what's going on there? Yes.
Yeah.
That one.
See from here, like it's like it's an
Yeah.
investment. Because people they are buying first from here, they will expect to buy again. They did get that thing. So liquidity must be taken. It's either it's gonna go and take that liquidity like upside or it's gonna go, but I believe it's gonna go down. First it's just gonna shoot down, and after shooting down, react from there, and then it goes up again. As you can see, the bit like the momentum of this candlestick is not too much. When the market wants to move from an area, it moves. Check from here, it just goes down. But let's wait and see. But the bias is to go down first and take what that sell side. Let's just go to 1 minute. I think 1 minute is gonna tell us everything. Nice. You see, from here we built what? We built liquidity. This is the one that we're gonna come and take. This is the first one that we're gonna come and take. But where are we going to react? Either it's gonna be from here. This is the gap. This is the gap. Or it's gonna go up. Which gap is from here? Okay. $29. So it's gonna be from here. But there must be something that must be taken on. You see? We're gonna take, I think we're gonna react from here. The stop loss must be from this high. Let's take this one out, and then we're gonna come to this FPG, and then from that FPG we go where we go up. Ready, guys? Hey, you can't watch all of the charts, but I think you've seen and you've drawn it on your charts. You see, it's gonna come and take this liquidity up. First, I think it's gonna come here, and then from here you go down. You know, she's gonna build from here, and then comes in here, and then it taps you down. Hey, gents, we don't have time for others, but yeah, but I think you're watching it from your chat. But let's see. My limits on NAS, they're already like ready. My limits on NAS 100, they're ready. On NAS, my limits are ready. I'm just waiting to go up. You feel me? On NAS. So where's my account? If this nigga look in, this is not my account. Where is it? Hey, go there when guys, the network. Yeah. Yeah, because the PC is gonna take me time. Now you see now on my phone, I'm watching this. Yeah, they are. I'm watching them. Let's go. Let's just watch Euro USD, gents. And then if it works out perfectly, I believe it's gonna be from here. SL, don't put too many trades. We don't pack okay. And then we're gonna go down from here. Oh, you're gonna take from that. You're gonna sell from there. And then we go where we go up. But we're gonna see.
All right.
What we're gonna see. Let's wait. It's supposed to start. How fast? No.
We're selling.
I'll see though. But it's gonna react from here, either from here. And then go take down the liquidity. What happened, guys? And then from here, what's gonna happen? We buy.
You say,
Check. You see, you put your limit there, your TP from here, you put your buy from there, you good. Ah! You didn't see, bruh. Simple. Where are we going? I think we're going
up.
Simple is money. Yeah. Ayibona, simple smile, simple. Ungazisokolisi. Ungazisokolisi. Check nas, nasta campaign. Nesta campaign.
Yo. Yo.
Hey, Pebile, close up, Pebile. Ungajaku, Pebile. Qibile smart. Phuma, funani no.
Boy.
Qibile.
Boy.
Qedile mfana, consistency baba. This is how you take
It's a kavezi i-chart ka-Nasdaq, like analysis yakho.
Qibile smart.
Yo.
This is it. That gap from that, I think it was 15 minutes.
Yo.
Let me show you the gap. But I'm gonna show you on my phone, like on my phone, like let me just shit.
Yo.
It's going up to that favorite gap, man. Hey, magic. Your magic, Papa. Your magic. Your magic. You know la. You want a boy. Your magic, chance.
Yeah, boy.
My
You feel it?
Your magic, my boy. Who's funny? Who's funny, my boy? Bye. Stop loss there. Boy. Hey, correcting that. Yeah. Nice. Hey, Chance, where's Euro USD? It's coming. It's going to that game. Where's my Euro USD, Chance? Where's my Euro USD? Yo. Is it? Kala wasela, Kala, from there, you sell. You check in, Chance. You first sell and then you first buy. Ishayile, no way. Oh boy. Analysis is shy boy, 10 minutes into boy. Yes, see, I want a papezu from those. I want a papezu. See, I pa. About the market type buy a window where I could so I could make a year. I'm to make a zinto. I want a candy stick. This candy stick like skak. This candy stick. Make candy stick by young the market. It's one a big moves. Like a big move. So if you get these things, just know about where in use. So get out. Yeah, Papa, you feel like a player. Baby, no. Baby. You done, Chance. You done. Let it play now. You done. Partials out. Relax. See now, if you are still waiting, it's gonna come and take you out. This is news. When you change news, you don't stay too long. There's a lot of volatility, my guy. Bro. Simple. Let's check NAS. I think NAS is going out. Let me take a video, man. This shit is nice. Nasdaq was killed, Jens, live. You see, even NAS is gonna come and take you out. What are you waiting for? It's news. That favorite gap there. You see that favorite gap will go down. Guys. A lot of people are crying. You buy first. You see this liquidity 11D market. 1, 2, 3. I'm at that touch. This is like every day, Chance. News. There's always this thing. But I don't know why people they keep on trading support and resistance. I don't know why. You see, like they were waiting for a third touch mode. You sell from that third touch. If you break out, you buy, and then from that breakout, after buying, it comes and take you out. You feel me? Like, yo, gents, I don't understand this thing. Third time,
The way, yeah,
third time
the concept,
after breakout,
The
you buy a food. When you're done buying, it comes and take you out. Into inside.
the concept of value gaps ne-order blocks zithetha into eyi-one okanye different because I think ndibona kanje i-fair value gap mhlawumbi xa uyimakha apha inantsika yakho ingathi uyibeka apho khona i-imbalance like i-fair value gap ufike
Yeah,
uyiplot apho khona
fair value gap talk, it's imbalance. Like you can use the other name. You see, some people they call it like people who use SMC, they call it like imbalance, and then people who use this ICT stuff. It's a fair value gap.
fair value gap.
Yeah. And the way I trade, I don't trade like the SMC way. I don't know even I don't know what the SMC people they were saying from here. I don't know because they are trading order blocks. But I think the market did not come to that. That order block was left there. It didn't come. Maybe a lot of people they were saying it's gonna come to that order block, but it didn't come to the block. It came to fill what? To fill in the gap. Because the market is most likely to come and close in the gap than to go to order blocks. So a lot of them they were waiting for an order block from there because I think they know about this one of support and resistance. But that buy from there, I don't know. Maybe they were waiting for a sell from here because it's not the structure. I don't trade that thing. That's liquidity, my guy.
Okay, so na le way FPG uyifunde kulo mjida we-ICT ne like ufundela course or
Stuff. It's ICT stuff. Done with NFP. Done with NFP. Did you take these entries, Jens, or you just watching? Come back.